Hello friend, in this video, we will discuss a very important topic in corporate governance, which is ownership structure. Although this term sounds formal, it actually means very close to the way company is controlled and directed. We will cover three main points. What is ownership structure? Then ownership construction, and finally ownership mechanics. Let's get started. In definition of ownership structure is the composition of shareholder in the company. In the context of corporate governance, this structure plays an important role because it determines who has the right to make strategic decisions, supervise management, and benefit from the company's business results. This structure can vary from one company to another. There are companies whose shares are owned by many people that are dispersed, while there are also companies whose shares are mostly owned by the few persons, such as families, the states, or certain business groups. The ways these shares are owned and controlled is called the ownership structure. And contract contraction of ownership. Now we come to the second part, which is ownership concertination. Concertination refers to action to which share ownership is contracted in one of few large shareholders. The greater the proportion of shares owned by a handful of parties, the higher the level of contraction. For example, if 70% and company's shares are owned by one person or group, the company is said to have high ownership contraction. Ownership contraction can have both positive and negative impacts. On the positive side, large owners usually have a greater intensive to oversee management and ensure that the company runs well. But on the negative side, the power is to concentrate. There can be risks both of authority and neglect of minority shareholders. Ownership mechanism. The third part is the ownership mechanism. The describe how shareholder ownership is controlled or managed in the parties. There are several forms of ownership mechanism. For example, direct ownership, where individual or institutions own share and directly have voting right in decision making. Direct or intermediary ownership, such as stock or holding company, foundation or trust. In the case, the real owner may be behind the scenes, using other parties to represent their interests. This ownership mechanism is important to understand because they can affect the extent to which transparency and accountability in the company can be maintained. For example, if the owner are the hidden behind many layers of the company, then oversight of management decision can be weak. On the other hand, a clear and open ownership mechanism can create better and fair governance for all parties. Well, friend, there was our discussion about ownership structure. In the company, we have learning what ownership structure in the importance of understanding the level of ownership concertation, and the various form of mechanism used in the ownership. All of this play a role in the creating health and fair corporate governance. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.